Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating and isolating software causes. First, install all Windows and driver updates. These often include display fixes. Once done, boot into safe mode to see if Flickr stops. That tells you whether a driver or app triggers it. Next, disable fast startup and perform a full shutdown, then power cycle the Surface Pro 4. This clears hardware states. Make sure to keep a charged battery and a keyboard dock if you use one. Now you tackle drivers and display parameters. If Flickr appears only in normal mode, roll back the display adapter driver or reinstall the latest Intel driver. Corrupted drivers cause timing mismatches. Next, open display settings and try a different refresh rate or change scaling to 100% to test for GPU scaling issues. If problems persist, use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove leftover driver components. Finish by updating firmware and testing hardware. Download and apply the latest Surface UEFI and firmware packages, then run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit to run hardware checks. These address low-level timing and power issues. Inspect the screen edges and connector for physical damage. A loose digitizer cable or bent connector can flicker. If nothing helps, perform a system restore to a date before the problem or a factory reset as last resort. If Flickr persists after these steps, contact Microsoft support for repair. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.